Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the world of lace front wigs, specifically the 30-inch reddish brown lace front wig made from 100% human hair. Whether you're new to wigs or a seasoned pro, we'll be exploring the features and performance of this particular piece so you can make an informed decision. The 30-inch reddish brown lace front wig is crafted from unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, which is cut directly from young donors. This gives it a natural look and feel with a soft and bouncy texture. It features a body wave style with 180% density, promising fullness and thickness. The cap itself is a 13x6 lace front design, allowing for a 6-inch deep parting space, which gives you plenty of styling flexibility, whether you're going for a middle or side part. The wig is also pre-plucked with baby hairs, which adds to its realistic look. The lace is HD transparent Swiss lace, designed to blend seamlessly with your skin tone, and the cap is adjustable, making it suitable for head sizes ranging from 21.5 to 22.5 inches. Now let's talk about how this wig performs in real-world conditions. The setup was straightforward. Adjusting the cap to fit was easy, thanks to the 4 combs and adjustable straps. Once on, it felt lightweight and breathable, offering comfort for long wear. The texture of the hair is as described, soft, bouncy, and manageable. I had no issue styling the wig, whether curling or straightening, and I found that it holds styles quite well. However, when it comes to shedding, I noticed a small amount during the first few uses, but it wasn't excessive and did not affect the overall experience. Let's break it down into pros and cons. Pros. The hair is very soft and bouncy, providing a natural look. The 180% density ensures that it looks full and thick without being too heavy. The adjustable cap fits comfortably and can be customized to suit different head sizes. The HD Swiss lace blends well with various skin tones, creating a seamless and natural appearance. Versatile in styling. Whether you want to curl or straighten, it holds up well. Cons. A bit of shedding occurs, though not significant enough to be a deal breaker. The cap size may be a bit small for those with larger head sizes. It fits most, but it's important to note that the medium cap size may not be perfect for everyone. Some users may find the texture a bit too thick if they prefer a lighter wig. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can stay updated with more product reviews like this one on Beautyistic. It'll help other beauty enthusiasts find our content as well. When it comes to value for money, this wig is priced higher than some synthetic alternatives, but offers great quality for human hair. Given the natural look, the ability to style it, and the overall comfort, it holds up well for the price, especially if you're after something that can be worn for various occasions, from daily use to special events like weddings or parties. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are synthetic wigs that mimic the same look, though they may not have the longevity or styling flexibility of a human hair wig like this one. The build quality of this wig is solid. The hand-tied craftsmanship is evident, and the materials feel premium. The lace is soft and breathable, which contributes to comfort during wear. As for customer support, there hasn't been any need for me to contact the brand's customer service directly, but based on the reputation of other human hair wig brands, it's safe to assume that any issues would be addressed promptly. To sum up, this 30-inch reddish-brown lace front wig offers a natural, full-bodied look with a comfortable, adjustable fit. While it may not be perfect, there's minor shedding, and the cap size could be limiting for some. It performs exceptionally well for its price point and is a solid choice for anyone looking for a versatile, human hair lace front wig. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, check the comment box for a link. If you already own it, feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions below. Goodbye, and until next time, stay fabulous with Beautyistic.